Have you ever noticed how Gemini sometimes gives you average or polite answers? It's because the standard Gemini app has a hidden leash on it. But if you move over to Google AI Studio, there's a secret block called System Instructions that lets you take that leash off. Now today, I'm going to show you how to turn Gemini into a world-class copywriter by hacking its core personality. You can also use the same hack for sales, research, coding, and much, much more. Now, if you watch the end, I'll give you immediate access to a bunch of my secret system instructions that you can use right away. The first thing to do is go to Google's AI Studio, which you'll find at aistudio.google.com. Now, as you can see in my AI Studio, I can click on the Gemini Try It button at the top, and that will take me to the playground, as you can see here. Alternatively, if I'm at home here, I can simply click on the playground to get to it. Now, when you're in the playground, ignore the main chat box for now. We're not going to use that, but look over to the right and you'll see this special box here, Systems Instructions. That's what we're going to use. Anything you put here, the AI must believe and follow for the entire conversation. Unlike a normal prompt, it won't forget these rules after 5 minutes. This is where we define its DNA. So let me put something into the Systems Instructions. So we click on Systems Instructions. We can name it. We'll call it Copywriter for now, just to give it a name. Okay, and then I'll paste in this master prompt. Okay, so the master prompt here is: you are a master direct response copywriter with 20 years of experience. Your tone is bold, punchy, and uses the AI framework. Never use cliches like unlock your potential or dive in. Focus on raw human emotion. All right, so having done that, I'll go back over here and I'll now put in a prompt for it to write some text for us. I'll use a very basic prompt at this stage just to give you the idea of what it can do. Now, bear in mind, this is now being guided by the system instructions we put over here. Now, let's check out the output. Okay, so I'll copy and paste into here. I'll ask it to write me 250 words of masterful sales page copy about escaping from a 9-to-5 job. Copy that's sure to convert to a sale. Then we'll run it. Okay, so this is now thinking, and it's working out exactly what the copy is going to say. I'll pause it for now, and I'll come back to it when it's done. Okay, we're back live now, and the headline that the system has come up with is: they are renting your life, stop taking the payments. Okay, now that took approximately 20 seconds to come up with that. So the sound of your morning alarm isn't just noise, it's the soundtrack of your surrender. Every single day you drag yourself out of bed, sitting gridlocked, knuckles white on the steering wheel, dreading the destination. You walk into a building you hate, sit under fluorescent lights that hum like a migraine, and trade the best hours of your day for a paycheck that barely covers the cost of your existence. As you can see, this is very strong copy. It's not wandering off track, and it's giving us exactly what we want. And this is how you get professional grade results while everyone else is getting ChatGPT-like style generic text. Now, I've written 5 of these system instruction templates for you for sales, research, coding, and more. If you want them, just go to my first pinned comment in the comments box where you can copy and paste them. There's also a link to a free copy of my ebook that's normally $29, an introduction to AI from guessing to knowing. So don't forget to pick that up. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gemini and AI Studio hacks.